Hey everyone, it's Collin, also known as Editor Collin. I've done over 80 million long form views and make six figures video editing, so that's why you should listen to me. Enough about me though, this is how I can help you. If you're a video editor looking to charge 3 times more for your services and actually get clients that pay, then stick around because I've got actionable strategies to take your video editing business to the next level. Today we're talking all about premium packages, attracting the right clients, building social proof, and more. Oh, by the way, and if you stay till the very end, I'll share my strategy on how to shortcut your success. That being said, let's dive into this. So let's start with packages. The biggest mistake I see other video editors making is charging per video with no structure whatsoever. Instead, you need packages that highlight your value and make clients feel like they're getting a great deal. Here's what this can look like. For starters, let's say you have a starter package. Basic video editing for one video, maybe with a few limited revisions. Keep it simple but professional. Then beyond that, you can have a premium package. This is level 2. This could include multiple videos per month or even per week, advanced editing techniques like animations, transitions, whatever you may be doing. And finally, an elite package. This is your all-in service. This means everything mentioned in the former packages, along with strategy calls, thumbnail design, script writing if they have scripts, anything you could think of to make it more worth it. The key here is to position your higher packages as the best value for clients who invest in it. Most people will gravitate towards the middle or top tier if you structure things right, so be sure to take time and actually making your packages valuable and useful for clients of all sizes and needs. Now let's talk about getting clients who can actually afford these premium rates. Charging more starts with having the right target audience. Now here are the 2 steps to focus on, and yes, surprisingly, there are only 2. The first is researching high value clients or high ticket clients. These are typically established creators, business owners, or brands who already understand the importance of high quality video content. Look for those channels or businesses who are consistent with their uploads, or have consistent campaigns for a product or whatever it may be, and might benefit from an even more polished look or more frequent content. Step 2 is reach out with intention. So cold emails or cold DMs can work wonders if done correctly. Be sure to always be specific. Mention something you like about their work or how you can help improve it at the same time. For example, you can say, hey, I noticed your last video had great content, but could use some tighter pacing to boost viewer engagement, or, anything like that, whatever you may have noticed. And here's how I can help. And then, explain to them how you can help. The goal here isn't just to land a gig, but it's to create a long-term relationship where they see you as an asset, not just another contractor working per video. Next, let's talk about building social proof. Social proof is non-negotiable when it comes to charging higher rates. If someone is going to pay you 3 times more than the average editor, they need to trust you, and you need to be worth charging that much. They also need to trust that you'll be able to deliver. Here's how to build it up. Start with testimonials from past clients, and if you don't have any yet, offer to do discounted projects or even free work for a well-known creator or business owner in exchange for a review. Pretty simple. Next is showcase results. So use metrics like increased views, increased watch time, or increased engagement that all came from your edits. Numbers don't lie, and they instantly boost your credibility, but be sure to always be honest about this and don't fake numbers, because in the long term you will be caught and lose all respect from potential clients. Next, there's building a portfolio that focuses on quality over quantity. Be sure to highlight your best work and make sure it's clear what value that you brought to each project. Now, I know I'm talking a little fast and a lot of this probably feels overwhelming if you're new, but that's okay. That's where I come in. I just wanted to let you guys know, if you're new to the channel, that I do offer one-to-one mentoring specifically for video editors who want to level up their business. In our sessions, we cover everything from correctly pricing your services so you make a ton of money, to landing high quality clients, to doing outreach and how to work with people for the long haul and have that consistent revenue coming in every single month. And let's say you're not ready for something like that. You're too brand new and you're a little afraid to invest. Well, that's okay, because I also have a private community of editors. It's a space where we share tips, share wins, and even referrals and new jobs. And the best part, this also has weekly group coaching. A lot of editors in this community have already started charging premium rates and are starting to work with some of their dream clients and get crazy results. And it's just a great time, and I think you should check it out. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, check the link in the description for both the mentorship and the private community. I'd love to help you out. I'd love to meet you, and I'd love you to be the next win in the server. All that being said, let's wrap things up. So here are the takeaways from today's video. Step 1, create packages that highlight your value and offer options for clients with different budgets. Step 2, focus on high quality clients who understand the importance of great editing. Obviously, if you find a channel with 100 subscribers and try to sell them a $3,000 package, they're probably going to tell you you're an idiot and then probably block you. But at that point, you probably deserve it. And step 3 is building social proof to show clients that you're worth the investment. The difference between charging $200 and charging $600 for the same video often comes down to how you position yourself and your services. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're leveling up your video editing business. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out this channel and helps me help more editors. And finally, remember, if you're ready to take things to the next level, check out my one-to-one mentorship and private community, both linked below. And until next Sunday, keep grinding, keep working hard. I'm so proud of you. Good luck.